So you're considering starting a windshield repair business. What are some things to be aware of, and what are some factors you might consider when determining whether this is the right business for you to get into or not? Well, a couple of things to understand just in regards to general trends. Windshields in general are becoming more expensive and more complex than ever in human history. So one of the things that we're seeing now is that the windshields in almost all new vehicles have sensors and cameras built into the glass or behind the glass that are directly related to safety sensors, things like automatic braking, lane departure warnings, things of that nature. So as a result, when you go to change your windshield, the cost of changing the windshield is not just the glass itself, but also the cost of recalibration. So that is definitely a trend that favors windshield repair. What that means is the cost per claim for insurance companies is going up, the general cost for the consumer in general for their windshield is going up, and many of those technologies will become standard by the year 2020 in the US and other markets around the world. So that sets up well for windshield repair. Now, a couple other things to factor in when you're thinking about windshield repair. The consumable cost when you're doing a repair is really low. Generally speaking, less than 50 cents per repair, while you can get for retail job usually around $50 to $75 for repair, so great margins. Also, doesn't require that you have any fixed overhead. You may not require even having a shop. Most people would prefer to have you visit them at their home and repair their windshield or in their job. So maybe just from a motorcycle or from your vehicle, offering a mobile service. So keeping your overhead low. The initial investment on equipment is not very high, and Glassweld has all of the resources to help you be successful. That's what we're all about here. We're not just a tool manufacturer, but we really want to help you grow your business, set up your business, and get it rolling. So we have a whole series of frequently asked question videos, training videos, how to start your business guides, how to get set up with insurance companies. We're committed to helping you get your business started. Not only started, but to be successful with that. In addition, we have our internal sales reps who are certified windshield repair technicians, and they can help you if you need any tips or questions, not only on your business side, but on practical things when it comes to doing specific types of repair out on the job site. We also have a certification platform available to you that will take your training to the next level. So we're committed to providing you all the resources you need to be a successful windshield repair technician.